that yours? You're so proud. Look at him. Oh, good job.
What did you do, Molly? Look at your little Snow White baby.
Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, hello. Welcome to the world, Miku.
Yeah, I see. That's a good baby.
What do you have? What do you have, Mama? You're such a good mommy. Oh, such a good your baby. Mama. Why are you taking me? What are you trying to show me? Your babies? I know.
Mama and her little baby.